That's a big one, huh?
Yeah. My hair is wild. My hair is crazy. Wait, look. So we are at Huntington today. Huntington, and then we have all these shells. I'll flip the camera over, but we are. Oh, guys, on crab.
I just want to show the boys.
Because Baby Lero's been saying the whole entire time that he wants to try crab legs. And so he found a crab and he's kind of freaked out. But the weather is perfect. The water is perfect. Guys, gonna go swimming in a little bit. I'm not. But yeah, he's gonna go swimming. We'll see what the day brings us. Me and Tiffany might go shopping. And then the little ones are playing in the water still. No, I just said I can't go swimming.
She's shark bait.
I'm shark bait right now.
You know.
Oh, look at this. Oh my god! Look what he just found!
Dollars.
I found a black one. Look, you found a $10. It's so big!
Let me see that. Wait. How does that happen twice? Did it get on your hair? No. It's that little piece. That's bad luck.
Sam, 100 picks.
Good thing dust.
I don't like this. God! You guys are gonna have to dig me out. Yeah, we're gonna have to.
Yeah, we can get you out.
What if we don't?
Hey, it looks weird.
What? No.
Oh wait, hold on.
Yeah, right there.
Can you get out or no?
No.
Go try it.
Yeah. No. Leave it. No. Yeah. Take a picture.
Go. Wait, did you get his knee? Go, dig him out. Almost. Not yet. Watch out for his back. Go. Go. Let's go. Wait. Go, right there. Want to try it?
Leo, put your legs in there. Leo, put your legs in there. Hold on, Roger. Leo, go. That's it.
Huh?
That's it. Lisa, didn't pour this out.
Okay, go. Was it hard or no? Go watch yourself up.
You're doing fucking cool.
You need some more, you're still dirty. You have to. You didn't even dump it on your head. Oh, it's not that cold. Dump it on your body, not your head. There you go. Go. Yeah, once you... What? Hold on, wash his back off. Wait, there's still one. Just a little bit on your side now. Just a little bit more, then you're done. One more bucket.
Is trying to call you right now?
up and drop me off, write me notes. She don't want me writing telegrams. I spill on.
Okay, so we're at. I need to be careful, yeah. And then I got brisket, and fatty brisket. And then Guy got I got steak. And
What is that?
That's what it was.
Yeah.
So I got
What are
steak.
these? What are these? Are these onions?
I got steak, brisket, meatball, and tripe.
What is this?
this is Bayla's first time he got chicken.
Kind of like a green onion.
Yeah, go. Bite it down.
Mmm.
Okay, let go of it.
Okay.
I killed mine. This was the first meal of my day.
And I nailed it.
I didn't eat anything, and I finished all my food. Babe Valero killed his bowl.
I did not.
Guy is finishing up his.
I'm pretty much done.
Yeah. But we're gonna go ahead to this Italian. Where's that? Italian Joe's. I look crazy. But we're gonna head to the Italian Joe's. Italian ice and ice cream? For ice cream after. The rest of the fam's at the room, and that's literally right there. Literally over this building, over the main office, and they're right there. We're like 10 minutes, 10 minutes away from Disney.
Alright, listen to that.
Yeah, like about 6, 7, I want to say. Yeah, I should be headed out soon when Guy gets done.
Gotta make sure I get everything.
Well, it's a cute spot. We'll put the Addy inserted right there. Next time someone wants to come.
I'll try them.
Next time you guys come out here, highly suggest it if you like. Is it Vietnamese food? Vietnamese food. Yeah.
Oh, this is the last one.
Oh, I was gonna bought a sand dollar. It has the things in there too.
Oh, really?
What is that? What's in there?
I don't know what those things are.
I'm not even sure what they are, to be honest.
You can echo.
The conch.
How do you know what these?
The conch shell. Oh, I know because SpongeBob. You ever seen that? Do you watch SpongeBob?
Yeah.
Remember how they get stranded and then they listen to that magic conch?
Oh yeah.
I'm still young, wasting my youth. I'll grow up next summer. I'm back on those drugs I quit. I kept my dealer's number. I'm still